How to fix your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search roblox.com and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Settings, which is the first option. After that, in here on the left side, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. After you've clicked on it, click on Communication in here. Then click on Experience Chat. Then make sure Experience Chat is everyone. Make sure the dot is in everyone instead of no one. After you do that, you can go back to your home page, play game, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix your chat settings, prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.